So I want to talk about the process, okay? So the process of getting alternative hair, non-surgical hair replacement is different depending on what your goal is. We do have pre-consultation forms in the link tree where we can, you can fill that out and it give us a good idea of what you're looking for and what your goal is and where you are right now. You come in for the consultation, we discuss your options. You decide on, I think this is the type of service that I want to go with, right? So then we set up an appointment and you come in and we do a bycast or a mold of your area of loss or your whole head. It depends on what service you're looking for. We do a bycast, which is a mold of that area, and we have a hairpiece created in the shape and size of your area of loss, or we use this to determine how the size of the hairpiece that you need if you are getting a customized stock, right? And with this piece, we will be able to determine, of course, the size. We will use this when you come back to make sure when we take off your piece for maintenance that we can remember exactly the size of your loss. We will measure where it goes, and so we can have it in that same position every time you come. So we use a mold where it could be partial, it could be full cap. It depends on what your area of loss is and what your goal is. And this is how we have your hair piece created. Okay. After we do that, your piece comes in. If it is custom, it could take about 3 months. If it is customized stock, it can take a week or two. You come in and we place this on your head again to map out where your piece will be. We adjust the piece to make sure it's going to fit in this space, and then we apply your piece. Now your piece can be applied with, depending on your area of loss, can be applied with tape, adhesive, beading. It could be different types of attachments, right? So after we determine that, we apply your piece, we cut it in, and you have a good time for at least 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the type of piece. Most pieces that we offer is 4 to 6 weeks. And then you come in after and we do maintenance on that piece. And when we do maintenance on that piece, we remove the piece, we clean the piece, we clean your scalp, we clean your hair, we do a mask, and then we reapply your piece, and then you come back in another 4 to 6 weeks. That is how the process works most of the time with most of our pieces. And that's with regular bonding or the brilliant bonding. That is the process. A summary. There's a lot more, but that's a summary of the process.